Oh, hello Vogue. I'm Simone Kessell and I'm about to get ready for season 3 Yellowjackets premiere, so come join me. Okay, so what we're doing today. So the look we're going with, sometimes the lips can get lost on the red carpet with all the lighting and everything. So last time I went to nude and I had no lips. So we're gonna go with more of a color, more of a pop of color. I'm one of those people who play with their hair a lot. Not today. I think that's why you're slicking it back, right?
Yes.
So I don't play with my
It will
hair.
stay perfect, rain or shine.
And rain it is. My pre-ritual for some time. You know what they say? If it comes out the top, you wipe your nose and you stick it in the bubbles and it makes bubbles go down. True story. I like to do a workout. I like to drink lots of water. I also, I think it's important to just put it all in perspective and not, like, everyone's done the work. I've got a beautiful dress, gorgeous jewellery. Harriet Crawford, who I adore, has been my stylist in Australia. I'm most excited to see what everybody wears on the carpet tonight. I'm super excited to see what the younger cast wears on the carpet. And also I've got some wonderful friends and my agent coming, so it's a time to connect. My inspiration for tonight is to be classic and chic and not too busy. Lottie is busy in her mind. She's such an amazing character and she loves color. So I'm going the opposite. I'm going black, I'm going slick hair, smoky eyes. It's quite different from Lottie. May have borrowed a few pieces of hers, but no, our beautiful, brilliant costume designers from both seasons were very generous. At the end of the show, I got to keep a few of her caftans, and I just love. Yeah. It's so important because I think any actress, you know, when you put your costume on and your makeup and your hair and you bring on her physicality and her voice, and you're on the set, then you fall into it. Our costume designers were incredible. They really were. They were amazing. Beautiful. What was the inspiration behind it?
The inspiration was to make the body very long, extremely long, with all the lines.
Yes.
And then the skin on the side.
And it's a one-off, isn't it?
It's a one-off.
Thank you for getting ready with me, Vogue. I'll see you next time. I'm off to the season 3 premiere of Yellowjackets.